Steve with SteffenMarkkus. The fall season is upon us. So to get ready, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe for making your own pumpkin spice lattes at home. Okay, to start out, you're going to need a few ingredients. If you don't have an espresso machine, not to worry, you can do this on the stovetop too. The ingredients you're going to need are brewed coffee or espresso, preferably espresso, 6 to 8 ounces of milk, and it can be any kind of milk. The whole milk works really well. Half teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and an 1/8 teaspoon of ginger. Now, if you missed any of that, you can rewind the recording, or you can get the recipe from the description below. So let's go ahead and mix all the ingredients together, okay? And see how it goes. Okay, so it's a half teaspoon of sugar. Then we have a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. And then a 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. A little goes a long way with nutmeg. And an 1/8 teaspoon of ginger. Same thing with this. A little goes a really long way. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix these up here with a little mixing spoon. Okay. I'm going to put them into our carafe, bottom of the carafe. And then it's 6 to 8 ounces of milk. I have milk in a little cooler here. I'm going to go ahead and pour the milk into here. And before we steam the milk, I'm going to make some espresso. So here we go. Okay. A little cup here. And we'll go ahead and steam the milk. Now this has all the ingredients already mixed in. So the steaming will actually help to distribute the ingredients into the milk. Oh, that smells really good. Eating this on an espresso machine, when it gets too hot to touch, that's when you know you've got 160 degrees. If you're doing it on the stove top, you want to heat it to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't go much higher than that because it will have a burnt taste to it. Alright. I'm going to get my #1 critic to taste this. All right, smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna get my #1 critic to test this out. Marcus! Marcus! Oh, Marcus. I've got a new drink for you. I'm gonna test it out. What is it? It's a pumpkin spice latte. I know you're not big on ginger, but you might like this drink.
You have a spoon to stir it.
You're gonna mess up my heart.
Mm-hmm. It smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of ginger usually. Let's see. Very good. I like the ginger actually. It brightens it up.
Yeah. Taste the pumpkin spice too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Very tasty.
So there you have it. A pumpkin spice latte, very easy to make at home. So give it a try at home, and we'll see you on our next episode.